Hi, it's Aqua with WTI.
I got some of the best neon pink heat vinyl from HTVRONT. I was so impressed by the quality. It was so easy to work with, and my project came out beautifully. This vinyl comes in a 12 by 10 sheet and it works really well with any type of die cut machine. I'm using my Cricut and I had no problems. I just made sure that I put the shiny side down. Also very impressed by the weeding. I did not have any problems with it coming off the transfer sheet or anything like that, or ripping or tearing. It was really easy and was very impressed by it. I used a little tool to get out the little pieces, but besides that, I could even use my hands and didn't have a problem. I also was really impressed by the quality of the transfer. Went on so easily. I just have an iron, so I was a little nervous how that would work, but even this works well with just an iron. You do not have to have the heat press tool. So I thought, let me see how it turns out. And I was just blown away by the results. My friends said, wow, that looks professional. So I thought that was a really good compliment. It's something that I could make at home, but turn out to be just a really cool custom sweatshirt that I could make for myself. I love the heat transfer vinyl. I think it is a really quality vinyl, and I definitely will be purchasing again.
And that's my point of view.